Hi, this is 78 Ken 78. Today I'm going to make a review on the Megablok war machine with the helicopters. Okay, this is after I assemble the helicopters. You can see this can be twist, okay, rotate, and then see inside here. You can open the cockpit. And the Iron Man is inside. The Iron Man is equipped with a 2 handgun, and then there's a rocket launcher, and then there is a big gun. Actually, you can stick on this hull, and then it is stick on the do you see here the helicopter? If you take it out, and then it can just put in here. Okay, put in here. So definitely a very good collection for those who like the Iron Man. So got stickers, stick it nicely, got a rocket launcher. So 78 Ken 78. Starting off from War Machine by Megablok.